medical professional observes adult male patients entering an emergency room. She classifies each patient according to his blood type and whether his systolic blood pressure is low, normal, or high. Consider the observation of the next male patient as a random experiment. Define the following events. Event A is the positive blood types. Event B is the high blood pressure. Part A lists the sample space. Before I explain the sample space, let me explain how to find the number of elements in the sample space. Or we can say number of sample points of this experiment. How do we find the number of sample points of the experiment? Think about blood types. There are 8 blood types. Blood type is the only one we consider. We can say there are 8 sample points or 8 elements in the sample space. But we consider level of the pressure. There are 3 levels. So we can apply MN rule. What is the MN rule? Here 8 times 3, 24. Therefore we can say there are 24 sample points or 24 elements in the sample space. Now let me explain how to find the sample space. What is the sample space? A set of each possible outcomes of an experiment. What are the possible outcomes of this experiment? As an example, I can say these are the first 3. So continue this. You can get the all possible sample points. So you can understand now there are 24 sample points or 24 elements in the sample space. So this is the sample space. Now let me define event A and B. A consider only positive blood type. Therefore this is the event A. Then B, high blood pressure. So we consider only high blood pressure. Therefore, this is the event B. Now, go to the part B. List the outcomes in A union B, A intersection B, and A complement. What is the A union B? The collection of all outcomes that are elements of the set A and B or of both of them. So then you can write each elements of A and B, but no repeated elements. Then what is the intersection? Intersection is the common elements of A and B. So you can write the event A intersection B. Then we need to find the A complement. What is the A complement? To find the A complement, compare the event A and the sample space S. First, let me mark down the all elements of A. Then consider the sample space. Now what are the rest of the elements of the sample space? So that is the A complement. So you can write the elements of A complement like this. Now let me write down A and B. For this problem we need A complement. So we already know A complement. Similarly you can find the B complement as well. Then part C lists the outcomes in A complement union B, A intersection B complement, and A complement intersection B complement. In part B, I explain the similar situation. So you can find these 3 events using these 4 events.